Welcome to 5 QAD section of current affairs. Before moving to first question, we would like to share that from next week we are going to start some new sections. So keep watching our YouTube channel Gyan Janit. Let's see the first question. Which city is the cleanest city of India as per Swachh Sarvekshan Survey 2020? Surat, Navi Mumbai, Indore, New Delhi. And the right option is Indore. Swachh Sarvekshan 2020, it is released by Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. This is the world's largest sanitation survey. The surveys are carried out by Quality Council of India. Among the cities with over 1 lakh population, Indore is the cleanest city, and this is for the fourth year in a row. Surat is the second one, and Navi Mumbai is the third cleanest city. With population under 1 lakh, all the top 3 cities are from Maharashtra. In the cleanest capital city category, New Delhi stood first, and Varanasi got Best Ganga Town award. Cleanest state with over 100 cities is Chhattisgarh and less than 100 cities is Jharkhand. The second one is based on technology. Which company has become the first company in the US to reach the market value of $2 trillion? Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft. And right option is Apple. Recently, Apple reached the $2 trillion market value, and it has reached within 2 years after passing the $1 trillion market value. However, this is not the first company in the world. The first company in the world was Saudi Aramco, which reached this $2 trillion market value in December 2019. The other US tech giants, Amazon and Microsoft, are also moving closer to $2 trillion market value. They are presently at $1.6 trillion market value. The third question, first state in India to offer government jobs on the basis of National Recruitment Agency NRA score. Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Assam. And right option is Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Union Cabinet approved the creation of National Recruitment Agency. NRA will conduct separate common eligibility test for various levels. They will carry out those tests which are currently carried out by SSC, IBPS and RRB. The score of CET will be valid for 3 years, and there is no restriction on the number of attempts till it reaches upper age limit. The fourth question, which legendary classical vocalist was recently cremated with state honors? Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Pandit Jasraj, Pandit Mallikarjun Mansur, none of this. And right option is Pandit Jasraj. Pandit Jasraj's musical career spanned 8 decades. He belonged to the Mewathi Gharana. He received various prestigious awards including Padma Vibhushan in 2000, Padma Bhushan in 1990 and Padma Shri in 1975. The last question, winner of World Snooker Championship 2020, Ronnie O'Sullivan, Kieran Wilson, Anthony Hamilton, Jude Trump. Right option is Ronnie O'Sullivan. He claimed his 6th World Championship title. He draws level with Ray Reardon and Steve Davis on World Crowns. He is the second oldest champion since Ray Reardon, who was 45 in 1978. This tournament was organized by the World Professional Billiards and Snooker Association and the World Snooker Tour, and is played at Sheffield's Crucible Theatre in England. This championship is also referred as 2020 Betfred World Snooker Championship.